Rural Northwest Health is committed to achieving the best health for the Wimmera Mallee community. Their key focus is caring and supporting people to be healthy and living a full life. The incredible dedicated team provides care and programs that offer wide-reaching community support and a warm and comforting approach.
10 months ago, I graduated university, and since then I've been nurtured and supported so that I can be a registered nurse in multiple wards, in multiple environments, in situations that I couldn't imagine working as a student that I have as a nurse. With the help of the clinical support nurse and all the floor staff, they've trusted me to be able to grow and work in an environment where I am in charge and trusted with a big responsibility. Some of the opportunities have been advanced life support, getting to get my ALS certificate, being in charge of a Montessori wing and working with dementia patients with using Montessori techniques, and getting to go to Ballarat to experience new opportunities in a med-surg ward. While studying, I came here as a student on placement. I was here for 3 weeks. It was the most supportive placement I've been on. There was one-on-one clinical support for the 3 weeks, and now since graduating and coming back as a registered nurse, I've been supported in many ways, starting off with supernumerary time and mandatory education days, which led into then working. And since then, there's support from the clinical support nurses who do work alongside you while you're in acute, and then to the clinical support nurse, and to the nurse in charge, the NUMs and the execs.
So I started my nursing 8 years ago through what was then University of Ballarat. I then completed a diploma and then a Bachelor of Nursing through Federation Uni. Since then I've worked in multiple hospitals in different areas which have advanced my clinical skills. And because of that, I've been able to advance my career into more of an educating role, and that's where my career is progressing at the moment. So working in a smaller rural hospital such as Warringah has given me the opportunity to utilise a lot of skills that I otherwise may not have been able to do. So things such as pathology, advanced life support are opportunities that I'm able to practice as a clinician that I haven't been able to in previous organisations. And because of the ruralness of the hospital, we don't have doctors and senior clinicians around a lot of the time. So we are expected to, I suppose, step up in a way in being able to treat, assess and prioritise our care based upon what comes through our doors. And because of that, as a nurse, but also as an educator, I'm now given opportunities to advance what I know and then to teach students, grads and other team members from my experiences, but also from what I've learnt through uni and through other studying. I find that being in a small rural organisation really allows you to develop close relationships and good rapport with not just your teammates, but also the community and the patients that we are caring for. So the community itself is quite fine-knit, and we're able to give better care to our patients because we know them outside of work, which can also be a little bit of a hindrance, but it also can be quite nice to be able to see some of our patients down the street and know that we have been that person that has helped them in their most vulnerable time.
Our goal at Rural Northwest Health is to help people bring their best selves. This includes our community, our consumers and our team members. We think about the things that bring dignity and meaning in life. We recognise that leadership sits within all of us, and we try to create an environment that helps people bring their best selves. In rural practice, you have to step up and accept responsibility early, and you will develop professional capabilities that are highly sought after. Rural health is challenging, so you need to be adaptable, resourceful and creative. That's why having fun at Rural Northwest Health is mandatory. Come on, think rural. You might be surprised.
Rural Northwest Health is a great choice for anyone looking to work in a small, intimate team at a well-equipped country hospital. Get in touch to see what traineeships or graduate openings may be available.